The design looks modern and stylish, but the sharp edges and slippery back? Not so much. It's like Samsung tried too hard to mimic the iPhone 15's look, but ended up with a phone that's uncomfortable to hold. Design-wise, the Galaxy A55 is a step up from the A54 with a nice brushed metal effect and a variety of colors like awesome navy, lilac, and lemon. But let's talk about the grip or lack thereof. The phone's flat Gorilla Glass Victus rear panel gives zero grip, making it a bit of a slip and slide experience. A case is definitely recommended. Now on to performance. The Galaxy A55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chip and runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1. My initial concerns about slowness and stutters disappeared after a day of use. The in-display fingerprint sensor takes a second longer than I'd like, but overall the phone is smooth and responsive. And yes, it's got 5G. The A55 sports a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's bright, vibrant, and perfect for watching videos or gaming. The bezels are a bit thick, but they don't detract from the experience. The stereo speakers are loud but can be harsh at high volumes. The camera setup hasn't changed much from the A54. You've got a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12MP wide angle, and a 5-megapixel macro. The 32-megapixel selfie camera is decent, but don't expect miracles. The main camera is good for social media snaps, but the wide angle lacks detail and can be noisy. It's not the best in its class, especially compared to rivals like the OnePlus 12R or Pixel 8. But here's the kicker: no wireless charging and a max of 25W wired charging. It takes about 1 hour and 25 minutes to fully charge. Not exactly fast in today's standards. So what's the verdict? The Galaxy A55 is a solid, reliable phone with a great display, good battery life, and decent performance. However, it doesn't stand out in any particular area, and there are better options around its price point. If you're a Samsung fan and looking for an affordable option, it's a safe choice. But for something more exciting, you might want to consider the Galaxy S23 FE or even the Google Pixel 8. That's it for today's review. Have you tried the Galaxy A55? What are your thoughts? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.